In this video, I will show you exactly how to disable a project on Netlify in just a few simple steps. Sometimes you might have a site that is no longer needed, or perhaps you want to pause traffic to a specific project without deleting it entirely. To get started, you need to log into your Netlify dashboard. Once you are logged in, look through your list of sites and click on the specific project you want to disable. After the project overview page loads, take a look at the left-hand menu. You should see an option labeled Project Configuration or Site Settings, depending on your current layout. Go ahead and click that to open up the deep settings for your website. You will land on the General tab by default. This is exactly where we need to be. Now, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page until you find a section clearly labeled as the Danger Zone. This area is reserved for high-impact actions like changing site visibility or stopping builds. Within this section, you will see a button that says Disable Project. When you click this button, a confirmation prompt will likely appear to make sure you really want to proceed with this action. Once you confirm, Netlify will stop serving your site to visitors and pause all builds for that specific project. It is a great way to take a site offline temporarily while keeping all your configurations intact for the future. I hope this guide helped you manage your Netlify projects more effectively today. If you found this information useful, please consider following along for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.